Hello everyone, today's video is about the benefits and potential harm of onions. We will also discuss the appropriate amount of onions to consume for good health, as well as the specific advantages onions offer to both men and women. Be sure to watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When trying to improve our diet and lead a healthier lifestyle, we tend to focus on the positive aspects of the food we consume. However, it's worth noting that some fruits and vegetables, which are generally considered good for us, can also have negative effects. The onion is one such example. Although onions are widely recognized for their health benefits, there are certain health conditions where consuming onions is not recommended due to their potentially harmful effects. Onions are a great source of vitamins and minerals such as iron, sulfur, fluorine, calcium, and flavins, which makes them highly beneficial for our health. The ancient Greeks recognized their medicinal properties, and Roman warriors used to consume them regularly to gain strength and courage. Even athletes in Olympia relied on them to boost their energy for training. Nowadays, onions are still a staple in kitchens worldwide and are used in countless recipes. They are also used in medicine and beauty treatments. We will now explore the various beneficial and other properties of onions in greater detail. 1. Heart and vascular health. Onions provide several benefits for the heart and blood vessels. They are abundant in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in the intestinal walls. Additionally, onions contribute to preventing atherosclerosis by lowering bad cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Recent studies have demonstrated that consuming 45 grams of onions daily can significantly decrease levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides due to their ability to inhibit inflammation in the blood vessels and intestinal walls. This, in turn, reduces the risk of damage and lowers the chances of blood clot formation, thereby decreasing the risk of severe cardiovascular incidents like strokes, heart attacks, and pulmonary embolisms. German researchers have also discovered that consuming onions daily can reduce blood pressure by up to 7%. It is important to note that while onions can help manage arterial hypertension, they should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment prescribed by a healthcare professional. 2. Flu, cold, and runny nose. A proven remedy from childhood is inhaling the scent of finely chopped onions. This method is highly effective as it targets the upper respiratory tract, where cold viruses and bacteria are most concentrated. For optimal results, it is recommended to use fresh onions and inhale them alternatively through the nose and mouth for at least 20 minutes. Repeat this procedure several times a day, ideally as a preventive measure or in the early stages of a cold. 3. Kidney diseases. Onion broth can be beneficial for kidney diseases, as it is used in the comprehensive treatment of conditions like pyelonephritis, cystitis, and urethritis. The recipe is straightforward. Take 3 teaspoons of onion skin, pour about 400 ml of boiling water over it, and boil it for 1 minute. Then, let it steep for up to 30 minutes. Strain it, and consume 15 ml 3 to 4 times a day. 4. Blood vessel problems and cramps. If you are having problems with blood vessels in your head or suffering from leg cramps, you may find relief by drinking onion skin broth. To make the broth, pour boiling water over 1 teaspoon of crushed onion skins. Let the mixture steep for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain it. Drinking this broth before going to bed can help alleviate these symptoms. 5. Nail fungus. To effectively treat nail fungus, a powerful remedy involves daily foot soaks in a concentrated broth made from onion skins. It is recommended to soak your feet for at least 30 minutes for optimal results. This method utilizes the natural properties of onion skins to effectively combat fungal infections. 6. Onion for cough. If you are suffering from coughs, especially in cases of bronchitis, you can try the baked onion remedy to alleviate your symptoms. This method is also suitable for individuals with inflammatory stomach diseases. To prepare the remedy, chop some onions and fill a wine bottle with them. Seal the bottle with a cork and cover the top with dough. Bake the onion-filled bottle in the oven until the dough forms a golden crust. Once done, turn off the oven and let it cool down. After that, remove the dough and consume 2 tablespoons of the prepared onion remedy 4 times a day after meals. 7. Cancer prevention. Including onions in your daily diet can significantly contribute to cancer prevention, particularly by reducing the risk of stomach and colorectal cancers. Studies conducted in the United States have shown that eating onions regularly can reduce the likelihood of stomach cancer by 22% and colorectal cancer by 15%. The cancer-fighting properties of onions are attributed to the microelements and antioxidants they contain. Therefore, incorporating onions into your diet can be considered a proactive measure in preventing the development of malignant tumors. 8. Blood glucose levels. Eating 100 grams of onions every day can significantly lower blood sugar levels by 1 to 2 millimoles per liter within 4 hours. This decrease in sugar levels indicates that onions can help prevent diabetes. Studies on animals have confirmed similar results. Onions not only assist in reducing blood sugar, but also aid in reducing fat deposits, which is essential since obesity is a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. 9. Strengthening bones. It has been found that consuming 100 ml of onion juice daily can help increase bone mineral density. This is especially important for women over the age of 50 who are at risk of osteoporosis during postmenopause. Studies conducted in the United States have shown that consuming onions regularly can increase bone mineral density by up to 5%. These properties of onions can contribute to preventing osteoporosis and reducing the likelihood of pathological fractures. Additionally, it has been observed that even occasional onion consumption can help reduce the risk of hip fractures by up to 20%. Therefore, onions can play a valuable role in improving bone mineral density and preventing pathological fractures. And benefits for men's health. Onions are known to offer significant health benefits for men. They can potentially enhance reproductive function, helping to address issues related to infertility and low sperm count. Although onions alone cannot cure infertility, incorporating them into a broader treatment regimen can be highly beneficial. Moreover, onions can help manage prostate adenoma, which is prevalent among men over 40 years of age. Regular consumption of onions not only detoxifies the body, but also strengthens and increases the flexibility of blood vessel walls. Consuming a small piece of onion before bedtime can be particularly effective in alleviating symptoms of frequent or painful urination. With regular consumption within a month, improvements in prostate health may be observed. 11. Benefits for women's health. Onions offer numerous benefits to both men and women, but they are particularly beneficial for women's health. Onions are rich in B vitamins, including folic acid, which are essential for maintaining hormonal balance in women. Consuming onions regularly may help prevent malignant breast tumors, boost metabolism, and aid in the proper functioning of the digestive system. Onions can also alleviate menstrual pain, increase libido, and promote a healthy reproductive system. Furthermore, the high vitamin C content in onions helps with skin rejuvenation, hair growth, and nail health by stimulating collagen production in the female body. Potential harm and contraindications. Onions are a great source of beneficial substances and vitamins, but they may not be suitable for everyone and can cause some undesirable effects. A common side effect of consuming onions is bad breath, but it can be reduced by eating parsley leaves or walnuts afterward. Excessive consumption of onions or individuals with chronic conditions like gastritis or pancreatitis may also cause gastrointestinal disturbances. Onions might trigger arrhythmia in people with cardiovascular diseases, including chronic heart failure or ischemic heart disease. In such cases, it's recommended to limit onion intake. Blood vessels and heart health. Although onions are good for heart and blood vessel health, they can have a toning effect on blood vessels. This can cause heart rhythm disturbances in people with heart disease. Therefore, it is recommended to limit onion consumption in certain situations, especially for those with chronic gastrointestinal diseases during active flare-ups. This includes conditions such as gastritis, pancreatitis, peptic ulcer disease, and gastroesophageal reflux disease. Additionally, individuals with cardiovascular diseases, including those with chronic heart failure or a predisposition to heart rhythm disturbances, should also be cautious. In such cases, onions should be used as a preventive measure rather than a cure. Attention to onion consumption during pregnancy. It's important to be mindful of onion consumption during pregnancy. Onions are a great source of folic acid, which plays a crucial role in the healthy development of the fetus. Folic acid is especially important for the formation of the fetal neural tube, and inadequate intake may lead to developmental issues in the cardiovascular and nervous systems of the fetus. Moreover, onions are rich in vitamin C, which can enhance the baby's immune system. Thus, it is generally recommended for pregnant women to include half an onion in their daily diet. However, as with any dietary changes during pregnancy, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider. Moderation is key when it comes to onion consumption. Consuming too much or too little does not provide any positive health benefits. Eating approximately 150 g of onions daily can fulfill your daily nutritional requirements for vitamins A and C, along with essential electrolytes such as potassium, selenium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are crucial for the proper functioning of your cardiovascular system and bones. However, it's important to remember that overconsumption of onions can have negative health effects. Additionally, proper storage of onions is essential for maintaining their freshness and nutritional value.